energizing your soul through the inspired Word of God. This is your daily devotional reading.
Our Daily Bread, May 20th. Blessed is everyone that feareth the Lord. The fear of the Lord is clean, enduring forever. The judgments of the Lord are true and righteous altogether. More to be desired are they than gold, yea, than much fine gold. Sweeter also than honey, and the honeycomb. Blessed is everyone that feareth the Lord. Blessed is everyone that feareth the Lord, that walketh in his ways. Psalm 128, verse 1. The business world does not lie outside the limits of God's government. Christianity is not to be merely paraded on the Sabbath and displayed in the sanctuary. It is for every day in the week and for every place. Its claims must be recognized and obeyed in the workshop, at home, and in business transactions with brethren and with the world. With many, an absorbing worldliness eclipses the true sense of Christian obligation. The religion of Christ will have such an influence upon the heart that it will control the life. Men possessing the genuine article of true religion will in all their business transactions show as clear a perception of right as when offering their supplications at the throne of grace. The life, with all its capabilities, belongs to God and should be used to promote His glory, instead of being perverted to the service of Satan in defrauding our fellow men. Satan has been the advisor of some. He tells them that if they would prosper, they must hearken to his counsel. Do not be over-conscientious in regard to honor or honesty. Look out sharply for your own interest, and do not be carried away with pity, softness, and generosity. You need not care for the widow and the fatherless. Do not encourage them to look to you and depend on you. Leave them to look out for themselves. Do not inquire whether they have food or if you can bless them with thoughtful, kindly attention. Take care of yourself. Get all into your hands that you can. Rob the widow and the fatherless, and turn away the stranger from his right, and you will have means to supply your various wants. Some have heeded this counsel and despised him who has said, "Pure religion and undefiled before God and the Father is this, to visit the fatherless and widows in their affliction, and to keep himself unspotted from the world." Satan offers to men the kingdoms of the world, if they will yield to him the supremacy. Many do this and sacrifice heaven. It is better to die than to sin, better to want than to defraud, better to hunger than to lie. Let all who are tempted meet Satan with these words: Blessed is everyone that feareth the Lord, that walketh in his ways, for thou shalt eat the labor of thine hands. Happy shalt thou be, and it shall be well with thee. Here is the condition and a promise which will be unmistakably realized. Happiness and prosperity will be the result of serving the Lord. This passage was taken from Testimonies for the Church, Volume 4, pages 494 and 495. Our Daily Bread, May 20th.
I encourage you to be ye doers of the word and not hearers only. Thank you for listening, and be sure to join us tomorrow for your daily devotional reading.